Hello, Michelle Morgan here again, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about foundation. Younique has a lot of different options for foundation, and so I've prepped my face. I've washed with our Illuminate Clean, moisturized with Divine Moisturizer, and prepped my skin with Glorious Primer. Now, we have a Dewy Finish BB Flawless. This is our equivalent to a BB cream. I like this because this is a skin treatment as well as a foundation. It's a really light coverage, so you don't really feel like you have foundation on, and it doesn't change really the look of your face at all. But if you notice, I wear this every day because of I think it's zinc oxide in it, but whatever it is in here is a natural protectant from the environment. So we use natural products instead of sunscreen in our products. So we don't have an SPF, but we have products that do help protect your face from the skin. So if you notice, my face is actually lighter than my body. So I'm going to put on a little bit darker shade of this. I use this primarily as a skin treatment. I don't use this as my foundation. So if I were to use it as foundation, I'd put it on with blending buds, but I use it as more like a lightweight moisturizer and skin treatment. So I just put a little bit on my hands and just blend it onto my skin just as a skin treatment to protect from the environment. And you can see that's a nice dewy finish. It doesn't really change the look of my skin very much, but it does even out the tone. So the next thing I want to share with you is actually what I do use for foundation right over the top of my BB Flawless, and this is our Touch Liquid Mineral Foundation. Now you have to shake this up, so you want to shake it, then you want to squeeze the dropper, shake it again, squeeze the dropper again, shake it again. Now I like to apply this with my powder puff brush, which I forgot to grab. Hold on just a second. Here it is. Sorry about that little faux pas there. So here we go. I've shaken this up. I have my powder puff brush, and then because I already have the BB on, I don't need that much of this. If you didn't have BB, you'd probably use 4 drops. I usually use like 2 drops, okay? So I take the 2 drops, and I'll just show you real quick. I have pretty good skin, so you're not going to see the coverage like you would on some of the girls. Like, I'll share a video of one of our girls who has really bad rosacea, and you know, it just, the coverage is amazing. And I love that when you use the brush, you don't get those makeup lines that you normally would get if you're just like smearing your makeup on. So it applies so nice. And this is great because it dries to a powder. Now, Younique also has a powder foundation, a pressed powder. This is what it looks like. Comes in this great compact. Whoops, there goes my sponge. But the sponge sits in here, which I like because it doesn't sit on your product, and then your product is behind that window. So that is our pressed powder. We also have a cream foundation that is set up just exactly the same way. So we have a lot of different options for foundation, a lot of different coverages. If you would like to be color matched or would like to know which one would be best for your skin type, just give me a buzz, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to answer it for you. Thanks for joining me. I'll talk to you soon.